How does AI art impact the art market? Today's $100 Optimus Awards winner is this piece from Griffith entitled Girl Underwater. It's a surrealistic work that depicts a girl's head in a fishbowl. I'm including it in an art exhibition in Chapel Hill, which begs the question, what is it worth? The impact of AI on the art market is still an unknown, but I suspect people will continue to buy art they like, and people will continue to create art that has meaning for them. Jackson Pollock once said, "Painting is self-discovery. Every good artist paints what he is." Perhaps it is relatable to feel like you are in a fishbowl, and that might create real value for this work in a broader art market, which may be hungry for a new genre of art to collect. What do you think? I'm William Ammerman, and I'm passionate about the future of artificial intelligence in the arts. I invite you to share your own AI artwork or nominate an AI artist you know and join our growing community at optimusawards.org.